Sanibonani guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Angisenani intro nengixolele bawethu kuyaphuthuma. So today it's a quick and easy video. I'm showing you guys how I clean the glue off my lace after time and time again of not cleaning it and applying glue over and over. So in this video this is rubbing alcohol. Yeah, got this came 20 rand each. Nale cloth le. Oh, oy. Because I'm nanyabona uningi nje bawethu uningi ngempela kuningi nyayo nje impepho yami So guys, it's a very easy process. I'll show you step by step how to do it, but the video is going to be like fast, quick and hard because it's really not that hard. So as you can see, it glue but I was really pissed and it was now starting to look nasty if usuyifake ekhanda ibisingasabuki nje inika two tones uyabona. So angazi namla but nangu ke rubbing alcohol wethu nayi indongo yethu, you're gonna need to apply a very generous amount with cloth yakho, and then you're gonna start rubbing on your lace. Now mina ngifake lela thawula ngemumva so that it could be much easier. I also recommend, if you're gonna do a rubbing alcohol method, to also do it the same way. So it's not gonna be like an easy one-to-one to rub. No, you have to hold your cloth firmly and rub on that lace very firm so that you can actually start seeing the difference. Also rub minutes, but in the end you'll see the results. As you can see here, the glue is actually now coming off, so it's gonna become sticky. So this is my end result again, guys. I didn't want to make the video long because who has the time? So now as you can see, the glue, the only part where it glue corner is on the hair. Don't stress, I got you. So I want to know how we're gonna work through that. So amandla ayo ke liba kwethi rubbing alcohol akhomlingo iwona nje as angazi ngizothini. But right now, for the glue that is on the hair, I use the brush. I put a rubbing alcohol in the brush and I'm actually brushing the hairs so that the glue is usuka. Ngiyashesha la uma ukuthi awusheshe ukuhamba angazi, but now uyabona lana angazi kwenze njani at break sengibuyile kodwa. So you carry on brushing your hair, guys. Izophuma nje kahle your glue, and yona ke ayithatha isikhathi because you're just brushing the hair and it's glue encane said on your lace. So yeah, keep on brushing nje and brushing. If you feel like isiphelile rubbing alcohol on your brush, again you dip it on the rubbing alcohol ubuye futhi. Izona imanga ke lezi ebengikhuluma ngazi ngizonitshengisa namhlanje. Nancy imsebenzi rubbing alcohol. If you guys at least just wash the whole thing but you want to get rid of the glue, rubbing alcohol I definitely recommend. Yeah, so here I'm reinstalling the hair. Jubanibona, I went and got my wig lines. Ngoba besenkhathela my braids. I had knotless braids on, so besenkhathela. So now I'm just ngiyabopha ngemumva. Siphonga isingaka but sikho lapho. Sikwi week asingakubheka okunye. So right now, guys, sengifaka impepho yami ekhanda. Smanga into ngayazi smanga. So now ngisayiplace nje kahle. Place, as you can see nayo bakwethu ibisiphuma kwitsunami nje nami ngayazi kuyaphithizela nje nakuyona up and down, but yeah. So I was actually in a hurry, guys, here because I had to shoot another video. So bengisheshisa kahle I even forgot to put the thingy, this glue thing on the hair, wax stick, sorry, ukuze ilale kahle. But I tried. So right now I'm putting on a got2b glue. I like the got2b glue a spray. I don't like the glue laying because I don't have a hair dryer. Oh yeah, boss. So right now I'm making sure with my lace it gets the glue it needs to use it white lace at the end. Guys, I can't believe that like rubbing alcohol thing actually works. I'm definitely using it from now till forever. So now ngifaka my glue, and then sonke selazudaba lo sise akanayo the thing that's like a ibo pie around the hair, so this bandana lekai. So yeah, I'll be using a bandana to tie it around my closure ukuze for it to like stick properly and everything. So yeah, we're improvising lana some peppets asnama hair dry. So yeah. Okay, now sesivalile lo guys ngisasekho namhlanje so I'm just speaking nje. I have to take this video in one take, so nje isizulu one way my gap. Now I'm opening my line. Like I said, I had to shoot other videos, so I had to improvise. Being tanda kabushaya side shiny cave, but I had to open it in the middle part, nicely, neatly, and everything. I'm running out of moya manch. So here I am ngivula line for me to actually start combing the hair. Combing the hair. I'm now combing the hair and everything. I think this is actually something, if you actually want to watch like the proper one where I'm not rushing, guys, you can catch it on the other video where I'm actually installing this hair for the first time. I'll just put it up in the link on top. Then before I'll so here ngenza sure ukuthi ilele emakwabo ayenzi into engayiboni, yabona. So after the using the curling iron, I'm gonna use the flat iron? Yeah, flat iron to actually carry on straightening the hair. Sishona is hands. Okay, now I'm taking off the bandana to check if my go hambarak. So okay, at this now I'm going to, I was actually checking if my glue is nice and laid and everything, and I'm happy with it. Right now I'm straightening my hair. There's straight and everything. So yeah, bro. Here is my final result, my final reinstall. I'm happy. I look good. Yeah, but don't forget to like this video, share, and comment what other videos you guys would like to see, especially with or regarding weaves or wigs, reinstalls, whatever. Bye bye, Nick.